In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Keeper desktop app. By the end, you'll have Keeper running in its own window, just like a traditional desktop application, using your browser's built-in install feature. First, open your preferred modern browser and go to the official website of Keeper. Take a second to make sure you're really on the official site by checking the URL and looking for the secure lock icon in the address bar. This is important for your privacy and security because you'll be managing sensitive information with Keeper and you want to avoid any lookalike sites. With the Keeper page loaded, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. In many browsers, this is called the More menu. Make sure the Keeper tab is active so the browser knows which page you want to work with. Click that three-dot icon to open the drop-down. Inside the menu, move your mouse to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet, just hover. This will expand additional options related to the current page. Depending on your browser version, this section might appear slightly differently, but it's usually grouped with tools for working with the page you're viewing. From the expanded options, click Install Page as App. In some browsers, this may be labeled Install this site as an app. When you click it, a small confirmation window will appear describing the app that's about to be created. Confirm the action by selecting Install. The browser will then create a dedicated app window for Keeper, separate from your normal tabs, removing extra browser controls so it feels more like a standalone desktop program. Once installed, Keeper will open in its own window. You can launch it the same way you open other applications on your computer, and it should appear in your system's app list. This makes it quick to access without digging through browser tabs. If you ever need to manage or remove the app later, you can do so from your browser's app management area or your operating system's application settings. If you don't see the Install Page as App option, it's often because the page hasn't fully loaded, your browser is out of date, or your organization has restricted this feature. A quick refresh or checking for browser updates can help, and being on the exact Keeper homepage usually triggers the install option. That's it. Go to the official Keeper site, open the three-dot menu, hover over Cast, Save, and Share, and click Install Page as App. You now have Keeper as a convenient desktop-style app ready whenever you are.